Hello and welcome. Welcome back mga kapatid. So ang reading natin is alamin natin itong nakatago. Full moon. Anong dapat mong malaman? Advice to universe para sa inyo. Okay. Message. Our spirit angels. Ano itong matatanggap o magbubukas during this full moon sa ating mga collective? Full moon. Voice of thunder. Break silence with inner power. Yes, changes. Unexpected. May unexpected na darating sa inyo. Again, the bottom. Moonlight sorcerer. Use the moon's energy for meditation. Like again, guys, full moon, mag-meditate ka. You'll be receiving this strength. Mas lalo kang magiging malakas, lalo na sa mga psychic dito. Yes, psychic power. You will be receiving message. Full moon. Wow, talaga nag-sink in yung reading natin about this full moon message. And magbubukas tungkol para sa inyong mensahe from the universe, ano? Full moon. Okay, ano pa? Spirit angels, full moon. Ano itong dapat malaman natin mga collective during this full moon? Ano ba yan? Victim and duelist. Okay, ano itong victim? Justice, injustice. Yung feeling injustice ka. Meron kasi itong parang ikaw ang tinuturo ng I don't know, feeling injustice dahil there could be third party, nagkasala ka, whatever it is, no, na nagkasala ka. Feeling injustice. Like again, guys, walang sikreto na hindi mabubunyag. Alright? So, dapat talaga ay oras na, no? Para sa mga nagkasala dito, whatever you guys did na tinatago-tago mo. There will be like a punishment, justice, karma. Dapat humingi tayo ng papatawad sa Panginoon. This is very specific. Again guys, this is collective reading, general reading, hindi po to private reading. Kunin nyo lang mga kapatid, paalala ko lang, araw-araw, pinapaalalahanan ko kayo dito, ano? Huwag nyong lahatin. Kung hindi ikaw ito, skip mo para yun sa iba. If the whole video, hindi ka pa rin nakakarasunit, hindi mo feel na hindi ito para sa'yo, then huwag tayong magalit, huwag tayong bitter. Para po yun sa iba. Alright? So, yes, victim. Like again, guys, mga nagkasala dito, humingi tayo ng papatawad sa mga taong nagkasala tayo. Or, sa Panginoon din. Pray. Kung ikaw naman tong naging victim, like again, karma is real. Kakarmahin naman din ni universe yung taong nagkasala sa'yo. You'll be receiving this justice. Kung feeling injustice ka ngayon, ikaw yung victim, don't worry about it. The universe, like, lalong-lalo na yung mga taong ikaw ang tinturo, no? Ikaw ang ginagawang salarin na hindi mo naman ginawa. Only you, ikaw lang nakakaalam ang kapatid, no? Kung totoo o hindi. Kung totoo man, humingi tayo ng papatawad. Tanggapin natin ang pagkakamali natin. No? Kung hindi totoo, hayaan mo si universe ang magbibigay ng punishment sa taong tinuturo na ikaw ang may nagkasala. O ikaw ang may kasalanan. Like again, meron itong prayers. Prayers is the key. Kung may mga kasalanan ba or problema, hindi lang sa pagkakasala, any problems, mag-pray ka, mag-meditate ka, connect with the nature, connect with the universe. Huwag kalimutan, andyan ang Panginoon. Okay? Lalong-lalo na kung mga tao na pinagkakaisahan ka, ikaw yung feeling victim, ginagawan ka ng mga issue, ipanalangin mo ito kay universe. Na ikaw lang naman nakakaalam na ikaw yung walang kasalanan, wala kang masamang ginagawa. The universe only know who's telling the truth. Ang importante, totoo, nagpakatotoo ka. So, maging magpakatotoo tayo mga kapatid, be real. Especially during this prayer. Okay? So, duelist. Ano tong duelist? Okay, so duelist. Alright, so guys, about this duelist, dapat talaga, no? So, meron dito magmano-mano. Alamin natin ano itong magmano-mano. Mano-mano. Mano-mano sa trabaho, Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels. Ano to magmano-mano? Spirit Guardian Angels. Duelist. Okay, a fight. A battle. Yes, one-on-one battle. My God, 5 of Wands. This could be your intuition or this could be your conflict. May mga inner conflict dito or family conflict. Guys, any conflict, pray tayo and connect with the universe. Alright? Huwag kalimutan mag-reach out sa ating Panginoon. Okay. Yeah, lalong-lalo na sa full moon, you might be facing this conflict, inner conflict. So, I think this full moon, malakas, no? Malakas yung hatak ng energy. Pay attention guys sa attitude or sa personality ninyo. Baka biglang magbago. Maging mainitin. Something about like your personality biglang magbago. Sa emosyon. Yes, yung iba dito biglang iiyak. So, that's the message at avoid. Warning, yung iba dito, full moon, baka ito ang hatak sa inyo. Maghahanap ng away, mainitin yung ulo, maghanap ng gulo. So, ingat-ingat tayo during full moon. Alright? Meron naman dito, ikaw yung feeling na magiging biktima. So, this reading, guys, is meant to find you and warning, no? And the main thing here for you during full moon, manalangin tayo. Believe in God, meditate ka. Iwasan dapat you should be in control in your emotions yourself. Kontrolin ninyo ang inyong, may mga anger issues dito, mainitin yung ulo. Somehow is parang feeling mo gusto mo maghanap ng gulo, away. So pay attention at mag-ingat-ingat tayo during this full moon dahil malakas ang hatak nito sa inyong emosyon, sa inyong somehow is like biglaan magkaroon ng mga issues, biglaan na ikaw ang gagawa ng issues. Either ikaw ang gagawa ng issues o ikaw naman tong gagawa ng issues dahil nga sa full moon. Magagalit, no? Mainitin yung ulo, emotional imbalance. Siguro, like again guys, kung magtataka ka na lang during this situation, no, na hindi naman ikaw ito, this could be the reason, no, nahatak ka ng full moon. You could be struck by a thunder. Break silence with inner power. Meron dito na somehow is talagang babaguhin ka. Ilalabas talaga yung kung ano ka, kung sino ka. So, yes, pray tayo mga kapatid. Like again, ingat-ingat, avoid this conflict. Kung maaari, wag niyo pong wag niyo pong sabayin yung mga taong mapagpanira. Talaga bang gagawa ng issue, avoid nyo na lang. It's better na silent treatment na lang. Kasi kung papatuloy nyo itong taong ito, or yung mga situation, baka mas magiging malala pa. Magiging away pa, gulo. Or ikaw pa ang magiging biktima. So, ingat-ingat tayo during this full moon as a warning. Alright? So, Spirit Guardian Angels, ano pa? Ano tong mensahe for my collective for full moon? Okay. So, reward and recognition. Congratulations. Your hard work will soon pay off and take you in the direction of your dreams. Acknowledge your efforts and own your power. Yes. Soon, this full moon, it's time to acknowledge the power about this thunder. Breaking silence. Yes. Soon, yung iba dito, there will be surprise na matatanggap mo. Hard work pays off. It's time to receive this. Affirm, I receive blessings, power from the universe for acknowledging me. Yes, na-acknowledge ni universe, guys. Alam ni universe kung ano ka, sino ka, yung mga magiging hardworking person mo, there is a reward. May magbubukas sa iyong reward. Okay. Soar. You're being asked to stop dimming your own light. Like again, dimming your own life. Yes, your light, no? Masayahin kang tao. Approachable ka. You need to stop this, I don't know, like, s- nag, it's like distance. Para bang nagkakaroon ka ng distance, isolation, isolated. Dahil siguro nasasaktan ka. Huwag nating sobrahin mga kapatid. You need to free yourself sa mga conflict, emotional baggage, discouragement. Alright? You are beautiful. Maganda, gwapo ka. Inside and out. Alright? So it's time for you to come out of the shadows and let your authentic self soar. Fly high, dear one. Yes. You deserve these changes. It's time to change this pattern. Yung nagiging emotional conflict, may mga conflict or discouragement, okay lang yan, no? Lahat naman tayo guys, mga kapatid, dumadaan talaga tayo sa ganito. Nadi-discourage ka, but do not let these people, no? May mga tao na dinidiscourage ka, sitwasyon na na-discourage ka, tinuturo na ikaw ang may kasalanan, ganyan, kaya nga nagkakaroon ka ng inner imbalance, conflict, discouragement, isolation, nagkukulong, silent, nananahimik. You need to change that pattern, mga kapatid. Lumaban ka. You are a fighter. Okay? Resolution. Whatever it is that you've been struggling with is about to be resolved. Kung ano itong struggle mo, problema mo, soon, sorry guys ha. This full moon, I'm sorry. Okay? You are receiving an answer. Malakas dito. Chosen one, yung iba dito. This full moon, you'll be receiving a resolution. Pagbabago, yung mga struggle, mabago ito ng universe. Tutulungan ka ng universe. Like again, prayer answer. Remember that resolution don't always happen in the way we hope or want. Stop being over controlling. The universe have a better plan than your plan. May mas magandang plano sa universe kesa sa plano mo, kesa sa gusto mong gawin. All you gotta do, surrender, let go, let God, let the universe do the magic. Alright? So, yeah. But being able to move forward and start fresh always bring relief. Yes, soon, you will be feeling light, enlightened, happy. Yes, and I think you need to embrace who you are. Tanggapin mo kung sino ka. Yung mga pagkakamali mo, correct that. Itama ito. Be open-minded and stop being isolated. Stop being always the victim. Kasi parang ikaw tong laging biktima. Yes, face these people, face yourself. You can do this and believe in God. Especially during this full moon, you will be struck by a lightning. A thunder. A message from the universe. The universe will awaken you. Gigisingin ka ng universe. Bibigyan ka ng reward, recognition. Gusto ng universe na lumipad ka. Mag-success ka. Okay? Let it go. Again, nasabi ko kanina, let go, let God. Especially sa mga problema, burdens, let it go. You're being asked to let go of whatever pain and resentment. Yung mga nakaraan, mga past, pain, you've been holding on to. So let go, guys, mga kapatid. It's hurting you. Paano ka makapag-move on kung you are still holding on from that past or from the pain? You need to stop blaming yourself. And you can fully be present in your life if you are holding on to this negativity. Release it and be free. Again, be free. Free yourself from these burdens, heartaches, self-conflict. Alright? So, these are the message na dapat mong malaman during this full moon and a message for you na to awaken you, giving you recognition, resolution. So, again guys, avoid this conflict and continue praying, mag-meditate ka, and soon you will be receiving good news about sa recognition and resolution, no? Kailangan may magbago. It's time to change this pattern. Freed yourself. Kung hindi ka masaya sa katayuan mo ngayon, relationship, friendship, I don't know, work-related, finances, change that habit. May iba pa namang ideas. May iba pang mga opportunity dyan. Alright, so yes or no bago mag-end? Think any question and the answer will be yes or no. Alright, Spirit Angels. Yes or no sa ating mga collective? Yes or no? Okay. So, we have here no, but it could be yes. This is about like healing. Releasing pain. Like again, guys, releasing pain. Overcoming depression, optimism, forgiveness. Like again, let go, let God. Release. I-release, tanggalin itong mga pain. Itong mga, again, guys, you have to recognize. Dapat kilala mo kung sino ka. Tanggapin mo kung sino ka at kung ano ka. Believe what you think it's real. Alright? So, you are healing. It's time to heal. Para makapag-move forward ka dito. Like again, guys, recognition. May paalala sa universe para sa iyo dito. It's time to fly high. You are beautiful inside out. Forgiveness. Whoever these people, third party, ikaw ang biktima, people pointed at you na, I don't know, a lot of people siguro na ayaw sa'yo, para bang pinagkaisahan ka, let go. Let the universe punish those people who hurt you, harm you. Alright? So, release. The main message for you here, release. Alright? So, I love you guys. I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading nito. Again, meron tayo itong no. And ang opposite naman ng no is yes. It's time to release. Alright? So, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next reading. And thank you at ingat po kayo palagi. Bye and God bless.